Hello, good morning. So today I have the best car insurance for kids. So adding your child to your auto insurance policy can be expensive, but there are ways to save on your premiums. It's for it's it's for it's fair to say that many parents are not thrilled when the time comes to add a child to their car insurance policy, along with the stress of having 10 drivers in household. Finding affordable car insurance for kids can be a challenge. So, in this article, we watch the market guidelines, and also team will break down the process of adding a child to car insurance policy and share some strategies for saving on your premiums. We have also researched the best car insurance companies to help you find a good match for your coverage needs. Related resources: 10 largest car insurance companies in the USA. Moreover, anyone living in your household who has a diverse license and access to your vehicles needs to be listed on your car insurance policy that goes for both new drivers and those with the lots of experience behind the wheel. Some states let you add a child with a learner's permit to your policy, but it's best to check with your provider to verify. Many car insurance companies allow you to add your child as an excluded driver if they want to be driving one of your vehicles. This means you can list your kid on your policy, but avoid the high insurance premiums that come with insuring a 10-age driver. You typically need to sign a form from your provider that confirms your child want to be driving any of your vehicles. So next, car insurance for 18-year-old drivers. So this is the best. If your child is 18 year older, they have a option to buy a policy in their own name. However, insurance costs for 18-year-old drivers are generally quite high. It's will almost certainly be cheaper for an 18-year-old to stay on their parents' policy. So next, car insurance for kids cost adding a 10 driver to your car insurance policy, it will likely lead to significant rate increase. Young drivers have limited experience behind the wheel and are generally seen as a high risk customer by auto insurer. So, according to the Quadrant Information Service, to average a cost of full coverage car insurance policy for a 35-year-old driver with a gold credit score and clean driving record is $144 per month. This table below highlighting just how expensive a full coverage car insurance policy can be for young drivers on this on policies. So next, car insurance discount for young drivers, and also good student discount, defensive driving courses, many more. Look at here. And also there is the bottom line car insurance for kids, top insurance, top auto insurance recommendation, and also this is all about the car insurance for kids. This is a great chance to get to your children enroll for insurance. Thank thank you so much.